your dog ever gets out of the house and starts running away, instead of chasing it, you should run in the opposite direction to get them to chase you instead. Dogs don't understand the concept of a mistake. So if you ever accidentally step on their paw, they just think you did it on purpose. Hello. If your dog ever initiates contact with you by resting their head on you, placing their paw on you, bumping into you, it's a sign that they love you and they're happy. And I really do think more dog owners should read up about dog body language, because yawning doesn't mean they're tired. It's an anxiety sign. Same thing if you start petting them and they lick their lips. They don't want to be pet, or if they shake, they're stressed out. When dogs start going deaf, they don't understand that they can't hear anymore. They just think you stopped talking to them.